Today we're diving into the dynamic world of e-commerce with a head-to-head comparison between Helium 10 and Keepa. Helium 10, renowned for its robust suite of Amazon tools, goes head-to-head with Keepa, a versatile pricing and product tracker. Stay tuned as we dissect 5 critical variables: features, pricing structure, user experience, pros and cons, and alternative options. Let's take a quick look at these tools' main features. Helium 10 features include black box keyword research. Helium 10 empowers sellers with unparalleled precision, uncovering high-ranking keywords. X-ray product research. Delve deep into market insights, accessing competition and potential profits. Follow-up email automation. With Helium 10, you can boost customer engagement and reviews effortlessly. Refund Genie. Seamlessly identify and recover lost funds from Amazon. Keepa features include price history tracking. Keepa provides a historical perspective on product pricing, aiding informed purchase decisions. Product Tracker. Stay ahead with real-time alerts on price drops and availability changes. Deals and Drops. Instantly spot the best deals and discounts across Amazon. Stock Availability Alerts. Receive timely notifications when products are back in stock. Helium 10 offers a comprehensive free plan with limited features, while its Platinum plan, including all tools, starts at $97 per month. Keepa, on the other hand, provides a free version with basic features and a paid plan at €15 a month, which, as of the making of this video, is around the same in US dollars. This allows users to customize their experience. Helium 10's user-friendly interface and robust tutorials make it accessible for beginners. Keepa, with its straightforward design, provides an easy-to-navigate experience. However, the learning curve may be steeper for users unfamiliar with advanced e-commerce analytics. Helium 10 stands out with its extensive feature set, including robust tools like black box keyword research and follow-up email automation. It provides excellent customer support, but its pricing can be on the higher side for full access. On the other hand, Keepa shines with its affordability and straightforward price tracking features, making it an appealing choice for budget-conscious users. However, Keepa's toolset is more limited compared to the comprehensive suite offered by Helium 10. The decision between the two hinges on your business's needs, budget, and preferences for simplicity versus feature-rich solutions. Numerous alternatives exist for Helium 10 and Keepa in the realm of Amazon seller tools. Some noteworthy alternatives to Helium 10 include Jungle Scout, Viral Launch, and Selix, each offering unique features and analytics. For Keepa, alternative tools like Camel and Honey's Amazon Price History provide similar price tracking functionalities tailored to different user preferences. While Helium 10 shines in its extensive feature set, Keepa's simplicity and affordability make it an attractive option for budget-conscious users. Ultimately, the choice depends on your business's requirements and budget. Sign up using the links below and subscribe for more easy internet tips, and explore our channel for comprehensive insights. Thank you.